Are you trying to use Cash App to request or receive money from someone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a Cash App money request to another user. To get started, open Cash App and then tap the Cash or the Money tab here at the center of the bottom. When you send or receive money in Cash App, it's always going to be free, so you don't have to worry about fees when you're requesting larger amounts. Enter the amount that you want to request from another user and then tap Request here at the bottom. Next, enter the name, cash tag, phone number, or the email of the person that you're requesting from, or you can enable the contacts here at the bottom and then search for them there. If you've never interacted with the other user in Cash App, then you're going to get an "Are you sure?" notice, just making sure that that is the person that you want to request from. If you want, you can hit View Profile and double check, or just hit Confirm. After you've entered the other person, you can then add a note or a description of what you're requesting the money for. When you're finished, tap Request on the top right. It'll then send a Cash App money request to the user that you just entered. You can check the status of that and all the other transactions that you've ever made by tapping the Activity tab here at the bottom right. Inside of here, you'll see a list of all your Cash App activity, and at the top, you'll see a Pending section. The request that you just sent will be in that section until the user pays you. Once the other user does send the Cash App payment though, that transaction will leave pending and go into completed, and the new funds will be in your Cash App balance shortly. And that's how you request and receive money with Cash App.